Welcome to the listening activity Customs and Traditions in Buga. Well, Buga is a city located near to Cali, and it's a small city, but it's a happy city. One of the most important places of the city is La Basílica de los Milagros. It's well known nationally and internationally. Thousands of people come every month to visit this place. Another attractive part of the city is its historical downtown. So you can walk all around the center of the city and you can see beautiful faces and beautiful places and houses because the people are friendly and the structure is beautiful. If you come to Buga, you need to eat the steak or chuleta at Don Carlos. It's one of the most traditional places here. It's the best chuleta in Valle del Cauca and is really well known because it's huge. What you can see in the picture is a tray with just the entire, or what we call the entero, and 5 people can eat from it. One other thing that is very popular in Buga is the derrumbado. So if you want to exercise and to get a nice view of the city, you should go hiking to the derrumbado. And you could also go to the Guadalajara River. This is a place to relax, to swim, and of course to do the famous paseo de olla. So you can take your own food or you can cook it next to the river. And that's it. Those were all the traditions in Buga.